Good afternoon, Shane. October 2nd here. Um, Today we're just going to do a big review, so this should be easy for you. First thing is Popeye. Okay, just to review this with you, I have, let me turn this up a little bit. Okay, review this. I'm going to start off with, so 3, 2, 3 on the first string, third string open. And then 3, 1, open, 3, and then the first string, 3. I'm not going to go through this whole thing with you, but just review a little bit just so you can remember in case you haven't played this for a while. So you have this first part. Now we're going to move up 2 frets to A, do a half step. So 5, 4, 5, second fret of the third string. So we have right here I'm doing 5, 3, 2, open, and then third string. So if I start from the top, okay, hope you got all that. Now here's this little cascading run. So I'm going to start on the first string, open, 2, 3, 2, open, second string, third fret. And now here's where it kind of starts to cascade. So you do this, and then you go back to a higher note, and so that's what I mean by cascading. So first string, open, 3, 2, open, second string. And then next part, 1, open on the second string, 2, open on the third string, and then, so after, you're going to go back to 2, open. Now a little stretch here, 4th fret, 2nd fret, open. So now we have here's the next part, open, 2, 4, open third string, 2nd fret, 2nd string open, 1st fret, 3rd fret, 2nd string open, and okay. Again, I'm not taking a lot of time with this because I assume that you already remember. At least this will come back to you fairly quickly. So, because we've done this a few times. So, if we start from the top, I'll do it really slow and try to play along with me. Once again. Okay, start again. 1, 2, 3. here's this little bridge. Okay, so the bridge is 3rd fret on the 2nd string to the 1st fret, and then you're just going to form like here's an F chord. Like if you take this finger off, you've got this left, you're going to move it up 2 frets, and this is the next part. You have, so I'm picking 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 1. And this is just part of a C chord. I'm like, right, here's a C chord. I'm playing the 5th fret of the 2nd string and 5th fret of the 3rd string. So I have one more time. And then we take the exact same pattern and move it up 2 frets. So instead of doing here, I'm going to do it here. So again, that's 5 to 3 on the 2nd string, and then slide up to the 6th fret, this little F shape, top of the F. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. And then here's part of a D chord. Like here's a D chord. So here's this bridge. And then we're right back to okay. So let's try it all the way through with the bridge. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bridge. And another thing to remember is I'm just doing all alternate picking. So every note, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Now right here, it changes a little bit. I'm going to do, if I'm going to use my pick, I would pick down, down, up, down, down, up. But I actually use my finger, so I'm going to pick down, down, finger. So I use my ring finger here. You can use your middle finger or your ring finger. So down, down, ring finger, or down, down, middle finger. So, and the reason why I use my finger is if you pick up, you still got to come clear back over here. If you use your finger, your pick is already in the right spot to start over again. So, you know, logically, you could be more accurate. If you divide things up and use a finger to do something, then your pick doesn't have to be at so many places at one time. Okay, so there's the whole song, and we're going to do another song now. We're just going to do the G Boogie. We haven't done that forever, so just real simple. I just want to get you playing some stuff. So if you remember this. So again, just in case you don't remember that, G chord, just play like a G chord here. 6th string, 5th string, 4th string, open. So 2, 3, 2, open, and then the 2nd fret of the 5th string.
And then the same pattern goes to C. And then your final one is D. You're going to play the 4th string open, 4th fret, 2nd fret of the 3rd string,
and the second string open. And by the way, you actually move your hand up a position here in order to play this. So just 4 notes. Then we move back down to C again. And just play 4 notes and back to a full G. Okay? So let's try this really slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Start over right now. And if you want to do, I think I showed you a little ending before. If you want to do and that little ending is you would do the D, which is a 4-string open, then back to the C for 4 notes, and where you'd normally do this, instead of doing that, you're going to start with your second finger on G on the 3rd fret, and then play chromatic. Remember, chromatic means every note in a row. Play the 5th string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret. And I'm using all 4 fingers, everything but my thumb. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to jump up 1 fret and use my 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers. Okay, so I've got now then end on a 7th chord. You could so G7 would be like this. So okay, so there's the ending. All right, another easy one we learned quite a while ago, Wipeout. So let's just try through that. And just to review, so I'm just G, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 1st, and then back to where you started. Move to the next string, and then we have this little part. That's 5, 5, 5, 3, 5 on the 5th string, 5 on the 4th string, 3. Move it down 2 frets, and then we've got C, 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 1st fret, C, 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 1st fret, G, 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 G. Okay. Try this with me. 1, 2, 3. Really steady. Start over again. C, 2, 3, 4, drums right here, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, back to C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, and then you start over again. Okay, I'm going to close here and I'll come back in just a few minutes and do the rest of it.